My topic is impact of marine pollution on seaweed, a threat to marine biodiversity. Seaweed is a marine algae which play a very important role in maintaining balance in aquatic ecosystem. As they are the primary producer, they provide the food, habitat, oxygen to many living organisms. Marine pollution is a growing problem in today's world. Ocean floated with many type of pollution like chemical pollution, industrial pollution, marine pollution having a very drastic effect on the growth and development of the seaweed. By this paper, we can understand how the anthropogenic activity affect the seaweed, which indirectly affect the marine ecosystem. Seaweed or the macroalgae refer to the several species of macroscopic multicellular marine algae present everywhere in the ocean. They are classified into the three major groups: brown algae, green algae and red algae. As all of this group contain a chlorophyll granules, which are the photosynthetic pigment, help in the formation of the food. These are the some example of seaweed which is provide the food and nutrition not only to the aquatic ecosystem, also to other living organism. As seaweed contain many helpful minerals, vitamins, carbohydrate, protein, fibers and having a antioxidant which help to oxidative stress. Seaweed play a very important role in the environment, depend on the type of seaweed and the location where they are present. As they are the primary producer, they supply the oxygen to the sea and form an important part of trophic ecosystem. Decaying part of seaweeds are the significant source of detritus for detritus food chain. They also use as a very good bioindicator as they can assess the pollution level in the marine environment. They also define as a structure of coastal marine communities and may be an initial colonizer of disturbed area. Seaweeds are directly consumed by the wide variety of animals or fishes and indirectly when decomposing part break down into the fine particle by the filter feeder. Bed of seaweeds provide a shelter and habitat for many coastal animals for all or the part of their living life. The larger form of brown algae is called as a kelp. Kelp form the kelp forest, home for the diverse group of marine animals including sea urchin, fishes, crustacean, molluscan and sea otter or many more. Seaweed play a very important role in aquatic ecosystem and get affected by the marine pollutant like heavy metal, plastic, oil spill, ocean acidification and many more. When heavy metal enter into the ocean, they can accumulate by the marine algae which reduce the pigment concentration, leads to retard the photosynthesis. In the severe condition, they can disturb the gametophyte development in non-tolerant species of marine algae. Plastic is a major concern nowadays. When the plastics sink into the bottom of the ocean, they cover the benthic region and limit the ability for the photosynthesis of the seaweeds. Oil can enter into the food chain by inhaling as a vapor or consumed with food, which turn into the smoother and difficulty in breathing by the animals. Ocean acidification leads to increase the accumulation of iodine in the seaweed, which enter into the food chain and affect the aquatic ecosystem. By this study, we can say marine pollution affect the seaweed in a different way, which directly or indirectly affect the aquatic life. Heavy metal inhibit the photosynthesis, which decrease the seaweed population, which directly affect the food chain. Plastic released in the ocean can be consumed by the seabirds and many other fishes, which leads to the difficulty in breathing and fatal to the organism. Ocean acidification affects the quality of seafood by changing the concentration of essential minerals which sequence for the consumer. The important role played by the non-tolerant seaweed species in structuring the communities could be severely affected due to the increased toxicity of the heavy metal and lower ocean pH, which unknown result for the association organism. Hence, in the near future, marine pollution could majorly cause for the shifting the distributional range of species and rearranging community composition. These are the some references.